Hey there, everybody! Ever wondered how your devices seem to understand you so well? You know how you ask Siri a question and she actually gets back to you with a real answer? It's almost like she's a real person, right? Or how about when Google somehow finishes your sentences while you're typing? It's like it knows what you're thinking. It's like magic, right? Well, not quite. There's a lot of science and technology behind it. It's actually the super cool technology called natural language processing, or NLP for short. But what exactly is NLP? Yes, today, we're diving deep into mysterious and potent world of NLP, exploring its most powerful applications and witnessing real-life examples of its impact. Well, stick around because what you're about to learn could fundamentally reshape your approach to personal and professional challenges. NLP is like the brains behind how computers understand us humans when we talk or write. It's a fascinating field that combines linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. It's all about teaching machines to understand our language just like we do. Imagine teaching a computer to understand the nuances, context, and even emotions in our words. Think about it. We use language every single day to communicate, learn, and even have fun. From chatting with friends to reading books, language is at the core of our daily lives. And now, computers are getting in on the action. They can chat with us, answer our questions, and even help us with tasks. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. The possibilities are endless, from virtual assistants to advanced translation services. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of NLP and see how it's changing the way we live, work, and play. Get ready to explore the future of human-computer interaction. Okay, so NLP might sound kind of complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. In a nutshell, NLP is all about helping computers understand human language. You know, the way we talk, write, and even text. It's like teaching a computer to be bilingual, but instead of learning Spanish or French, it's learning the ins and outs of English, Mandarin, or any other language you can think of. Now, human language is pretty complex, right? We've got slang, sarcasm, and don't even get me started on emojis. But NLP is up for the challenge. It uses all sorts of clever techniques to break down our language into smaller pieces that computers can understand. It's like giving computers a crash course in human communication. All right, enough with the technical stuff. Let's dive into some real-world examples to see how NLP is making a difference in our everyday lives. Let's talk about how NLP is actually used in the real world. From businesses to personal use, NLP is transforming the way we interact with technology. And no, I'm not talking about robots taking over the world, at least not yet, but the advancements are pretty impressive. One of the coolest things about NLP is that it's everywhere. You might not even realize how often you encounter it. Remember those virtual assistants I mentioned earlier, like Siri and Alexa? They are some of the most common examples of NLP in action. Yeah, they're powered by NLP. These devices can understand and process your voice commands to perform a variety of tasks. These handy helpers can understand your questions, set reminders, and even tell you jokes. They make our lives easier and more fun. Who needs a personal assistant when you've got NLP? It's like having a digital assistant that's always ready to help. And then there's Google Translate. This app is a lifesaver when you're traveling and need to communicate in a different language. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. You can translate text, speech, and even images in real time. NLP helps translate languages in real time, making it easier than ever to communicate with people from all over the world. It's breaking down language barriers. And let's not forget about those spam filters in your inbox. They use NLP to keep your email clean and organized. They use NLP to identify and block those pesky spam emails, saving you from a world of unwanted junk. It's like having a personal gatekeeper for your email. NLP under the hood, a peek inside. Okay, I know I said we wouldn't get too technical, but indulge me for a second. I promise to make it painless. So, how does NLP actually work? Well, it all starts with data. Lots and lots of data. NLP algorithms are trained on massive amounts of text and code, learning the rules of grammar, the meanings of words, and even the nuances of human conversation. One of the key techniques used in NLP is called tokenization. It's basically like breaking down a sentence into individual words or tokens. This helps computers understand the structure of a sentence and the relationship between words. Another important technique is named entity recognition. This is where things get really interesting. NER helps computers identify and classify important entities in a text, like people, places, and organizations. The future of NLP, a world of possibilities. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the future of NLP. And let me tell you, it's looking pretty bright. As NLP technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more amazing applications emerge. Imagine a world where computers can understand our emotions, write poetry, or even have a full-blown conversation with us. NLP has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, making technology more intuitive and accessible for everyone. It could even help us break down language barriers and foster greater understanding between cultures. From healthcare to education, NLP is poised to transform countless industries. It's an exciting time to be a language nerd, that's for sure. Challenges and ethical considerations in NLP. Now, before we get too carried away with all the amazing things NLP can do, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this technology. One of the biggest challenges in NLP is bias. Because NLP algorithms are trained on massive data sets of human language, they can inherit the biases that already exist in our society. For example, if an algorithm is trained on a dataset that contains gender stereotypes, it might perpetuate those stereotypes in its output. Another challenge is the potential for misuse. Like any powerful technology, NLP can be used for both good and bad. It's important to ensure that NLP is developed and used responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place. NLP, the future of language understanding. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a groundbreaking field that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Well, there you have it, folks. We've taken a journey through the fascinating world of NLP. That's NLP in a nutshell. It's a complex yet incredibly powerful technology that is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to sophisticated language translation services, NLP is already changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's making communication easier and more efficient. As NLP technology continues to advance, we are on the brink of even more revolutionary changes. We can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, from healthcare to customer service and beyond. Blurring the lines between human and machine communication, NLP is making it possible for machines to understand and respond to human language in ways we never thought possible. It's an exciting time to be a witness to this technological revolution. The possibilities are endless and the future is bright. But it's also important to remember that NLP is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to ensure that NLP is developed and used responsibly, with ethical considerations at the forefront. We must focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability in its development and application. By doing so, we can harness the full potential of NLP while mitigating any risks associated with its misuse. So the next time you ask Siri a question or get a spam email blocked before it reaches your inbox, take a moment to appreciate the power of NLP. It's a technology that's changing the world, one word at a time. From enhancing our daily interactions to driving business efficiencies, NLP is here to stay. As we continue to explore and expand the capabilities of NLP, we are not just witnessing a technological evolution, but a revolution in how we understand and use language.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.